What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to check battery temperature on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open Play Store. Now after opening the Play Store, go to the search bar and search for Ampere app. Now install this app, and after installing click on open. Now here you can swipe left or right to view the temperature of your battery. So here you can see my battery temperature is 40.1 degrees Celsius. So that's how you can check the battery temperature on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.